All right, so today we are going to go over the messaging channels and why these were built this way and how it is it's supposed to work as air traffic control for you and your customers, your company, to make sure the right people are always talking to the right people. So you'll see we're in the sales channel here. That's going to be where the initial contact's made. What I recommend is having, just like in all of these different channels, we have a little introduction. Says, hi Stephanie, my name is Sam, and I will be the project manager for your project. If you have any questions or concerns throughout the project, please reach out to me through this channel. Looking forward to getting this kitchen done for you. So you can see as soon as that customer's jumping in here, they're getting messages in these channels from your team that's in charge of these channels that's going to let that customer know what each one of them are, what they represent, and why they would utilize it. This is where we start to break down that confusion in communication and start getting your customer in touch with the right people, air traffic control, seamless communication. So when you create this project, you're going to want to go in there. You're going to want to create that channel, let them know who they're talking to, why they would be talking to them. As you can see in the sales channel, we have pictures being shared of what they're looking for in this project throughout. So we have a clear understanding. That's what the channels are supposed to create is. So instead of this being in a bunch of emails, it's all in one place. Same thing with the scheduling. When I go into another project that's farther along in the process, you'll see that we have conversations happening around the schedule. When are we going to be out there? What exactly are we doing? That generates that project management channel. That customer knows, hey, reach out to me if you have any questions related to this project. So if they want to talk about the color of the roof, we can talk about that before we show up out there in case that's a product that we need to change before we show up to that project. Keep this in mind as you're setting up these channels and what exactly you want to convey to your customers. This is how we become proactive with communication. That sales channel, getting everything documented, that's the best practices. The best practice when it comes to the sales channel is to say, hey, customer, I understand that communication is a concern of yours. We use BuilderComs. I'm going to enter in your information here. You're going to get an email to set up your account and download the app. All of our communication will go through BuilderComs going forward. So you don't have to worry about if you should be calling, texting, emailing, or who you should be reaching out to, because it's going to be broken down into channels of communication within the BuilderComs app. So you know exactly who to reach out to with what questions. That's the magic of what we built here is the channels of communication. So make sure you're proactive in reaching out, letting your customers know exactly what they're utilizing each channel for, and have a great day. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, team@buildercoms.com, or go to our website and submit your questions right in from there, or reach out to whoever that representative is, that sales representative or customer representative that is taking care of you, and we'll get those questions answered for you. And who knows, it might even turn into a new YouTube video. So thank you for being a BuilderComs customer